When it comes to herbs, you have two kinds. You have fresh and you have dried. And usually when you have fresh herbs, it's the top parts that are really nice and leafy and flavorful. And then when it comes to the dried herbs, it's usually like the stem, the seeds, the bark, or the fruit. And when it comes to cilantro, cilantro has a seed on it called coriander. And those are the coriander seeds that after the plant grows, these little seeds fall off. They take that, they powder it, and this is delicious. Full of fragrance, full of flavor, full of power. So the general rule is you cook with the dry herbs. So it seasons oil, it seasons meat, seasons veg or fish as it cooks. And then fresh herbs are kind of for finishing dishes. If you want to know how to keep fresh herbs around for a long time, get some wet paper towel and just roll the roots up like that and then leave them upright. And they'll last for a good couple of days. So there you go. That's kind of the rules of cooking and the difference between fresh and dried herbs.